As a broker or an admin with broker privileges, you have access to several tools in Realtracs that makes it easier to manage your office, support your agents, and keep track of performance. Let's start with one of the things that really sets Realtracs apart: all the help available right at your fingertips. Did you know when you joined Realtracs, you and your agents are assigned a customer happiness representative, or a CHR for short? Your CHR is your go-to person for questions, assistance, and free office training. To find your CHR, hover over Help and select Sign Up for a Class. This will take you to your personalized training portal where you and your agents can always find your CHR's contact information. Of course, since we're already in the Sign Up for a Class area, you'll also see our upcoming class schedule. You can learn more about each class and easily register for anything that interests you. As a bonus, all of our classes offer CE credit. Your training portal also gives you 24/7 access to the Realtracs Help Center. From here, you'll find a full library of training articles and videos covering our features throughout Realtracs. You can also submit a ticket if you ever run into an issue or have an idea for product enhancement. You don't even have to visit the Support and Training Hub every time, though. You can also access the Help Center and submit a ticket directly from the Help tab at the top of Realtracs. And anytime you need immediate assistance, click the chat bubble to connect with our in-house support team. Let's take a look at some of the office-level tools available to you as a broker under the Broker tab in your navigational menu at the top of Realtracs. Let's start by looking at Office Settings. The first section in Office Settings is your office profile. This is what other agents and the public will see when they look up your brokerage. Here, you can add your brokerage logo, address, contact information, and even your social media accounts. Be sure to complete the About Us section too. This is your opportunity to tell people a little bit more about your brokerage and what makes your office stand out. Did you know Realtracs has a public agent and office search? So take a few minutes to make sure your brokerage puts its best foot forward. The next section here is Company Offices. This shows all the offices that fall under your parent company. This is especially helpful when working with company-exclusive listings because it gives you a clearer picture of which offices are included in that listing's marketing reach. You'll also find office preferences on this page. These settings can be updated by brokers but viewed by everyone else in the office. Office preferences include your office level settings for canceling listings. You can also choose your office's preferred transaction management system. All users in your office can view the office settings from the Me menu under their name in the upper right-hand corner, but only brokers can make changes. Back under the broker menu, you'll find overdue balances. Hopefully, you'll never see anything listed here. If you do, it means one of your agent has an unpaid Realtracs balance. After 30 days, an unpaid agent's balance will transfer to the broker. This only affects the individual agent with the overdue balance, not the entire office. Another helpful option you have under the broker admin menu is Property Log. The Property Log is your go-to place for reviewing any significant changes your agents have made to their listings. You can see what changed, when it changed, and who made the change. A date range will already be entered at the top of the page, but you can adjust it anytime to review a different period. Let's head back to that broker admin menu and open User Management. This is where you can view and manage your office roster. To quickly find an agent, you can search their name in the search field in the upper left corner. For multi-office brokers, you can switch between offices using the office selector at the top of the page. To add someone to your office, select Add a User in the upper right corner. Choose the appropriate role, then complete the required information. An assistant account is $25 a month. When an agent transfers to your office from another brokerage, you'll see their name in your office roster with an accept button. You must accept the transfer within 10 days. When an agent is transferring from your office to another brokerage, select the 3 dots beside their name and choose Transfer User. Enter the name of the brokerage they are transferring to and select any listings that should transfer with the agent. The 3-dot menu also gives you options to cancel a transfer, remove a user, and manage sign in as permissions. To give someone sign in as access, simply enter the name of the agent whose account they need permission to access. Anyone with sign in as permissions can access that option by selecting their name in the upper right corner of Realtracs. From there, they can enter the agent's account to complete tasks such as scheduling a showing or making an authorized change. When you're finished, select the name in the upper right corner again and choose Sign in as myself to return to your own account. Since we're looking at our own account settings from your name in the upper right corner, let's look at billing info. If you would like to sponsor your admin, assistant, or any of your agent's Realtracs accounts, scroll down your billing info section to sponsored accounts. Then you can enter the name of the user whose account you would like to sponsor. Also from your personal settings, under your name in the upper right-hand corner, make sure you complete your personal profile. Just like your office profile, your profile is visible to other agents and the public, so you'll want to make sure your information is accurate and up to date. Under notification settings, you can choose how frequently you receive notifications from your client portal. You will also find your MLS ID under the Identifiers section. You can also review data access to see whether you're eligible to connect any additional MLS organizations you belong to. As a broker, it's important to be able to keep track of both your office's overall performance and the productivity of your agents. We have tools to make that easy. Office Analytics gives you the information you need in one place. To access it, hover over Analytics and select Office Analytics. When you first enter Office Analytics, you'll see an overview of how your office is currently performing. The date range is automatically set to the current year to date, but you can easily change it by selecting Off-Market Date at the top of the page. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see your office's current on-market inventory, along with a breakdown of closings from both the list agent and buyer agent sides. Below that, you'll find graphs showing your office's closed volume and the top 5 counties where your office has completed closings. Once you've reviewed your office as a whole, scroll down to the productivity of the agents of your roster. To focus on one agent, simply select their name. This will update the information to show that agent's individual production. As a broker, you can also review the production of agents outside your office and compare the performance of other brokerages. Select the magnifying glass in the upper left corner, then search for an agent or brokerage name. With these tools, you can manage your office, support your agents, monitor listing activity, and better understand your brokerage's performance, all within Realtracs.